Internally reconstructs hair. Prevents split ends and breakage. Up to 95% fewer split ends. Note: products with electrical plugs are designed for use in the U.S. Outlets and voltage differ internationally, and this product may require an adapter or converter for use in your destination. Please check compatibility before purchasing. Say goodbye to brittle hair and split ends, and hello to free-flowing, lustrous locks you'll love to show off. Dove knows everyone's hair is different. That's why we've developed specially tailored ranges, Damage Solutions to repair damaged hair and Nutritive Solutions to nourish dry hair. Intense Repair Shampoo Conditioner are part of the Dove Damage Solution range. They contain fiber actives which penetrate each hair, helping to repair from the inside. Directions: apply shampoo to wet hair, lather and rinse. Follow by massaging conditioner through hair and rinse thoroughly after 1 to 3 minutes. Legal disclaimer: statements regarding dietary supplements have not been evaluated by the FDA and are not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease or health condition. Top reviews from the United States. Value for money. Leaves your hair soft and shiny. Star rating 10.